Hello everyone, it's Hanny. I'm starting with my scrap samplers. I have on my Facebook group, I have a scrap sampler swap with 40 of the Facebook members, and I wanted to do 2, and I'm going to make 3. I already made 2, but well, I showed them on Facebook, so that's not what they are getting. And I am making 3 now, 2 for my swap partners, and well, I'm not going to show them. And the third one I'm going to make for the video. So and I'm going to make all 3 in the same way, with different scraps of course, but I make one for the video so you can see how I make them. I really use my scraps. These are my scraps. I have a few more. I will show you. I have a big pile of scraps here besides me, so you can see what I have more for scraps. So these are scraps. I have a lot of scraps. Well, these are not scraps, but these are my labels I will use. These are, well, scraps, book pages and whatever. And these are scraps which I use, well, with black and white scraps. Here I have a lot of scraps in pictures I thrown out and used pieces of, and well, whatever. And here I have scraps a bit on color. You see, these are a bit greenish and yellowish. I have more scraps, but bluish, red, and purple, brownish, and all kinds of pieces, bits and pieces. I'm going to speed up. I will look for a kind of cover, and I thought I saw one. This one. It's not so very big, or a piece of. I wanted to make it A4, A5, A6, I think. That's a card, an envelope. Well, this formed of this size. It's not formed, but this size. So I could use that as a cover. Yes. So I will start. I will speed up, and well, enjoy watching. this is sort of what I do when I make a scrap sampler. Those are really my scraps. I did a few other things with it, and maybe I do something else and more, but this is what I do. And I hope you can remove the washi tape. Yes, it's very easy to remove it. I will do another one. So you can reuse the washi tape too. So I hope it doesn't fall apart, but I will tie some rope. Excuse me, I have to grab. I have some twine here, and I think I'm going to do some twine around it. I glued it a little bit here and there, but you can demontage the scrap sample. So I will do a thing around it, a rope around it, like so. Something like that. And then it goes in an envelope to one of my swap partners. Of course, like I said, I'm going to make another one or two. I have two swap partners, and I'm going to make two different scrap samplers for them, which I won't show because then the surprise is gone. So that's what they get when they get a scrap sampler of me. Simple, really my scraps, and not too heavy, a little present, and I think it's about 50 grams, I think, so I can reduce the postage, the shipping costs a bit, because it's sometimes I have to send them to Italy. Well, that's in Europe. I'm living in Europe, so that's less expensive than to the United States. United States is very expensive for us to send stuff over there. It depends what's in it. So, and I have one in India, I think. I'm not sure by head. So this is it, and well, that's what I do, and I hope you like watching it. Thank you for watching. Bye.